god, I like this story. I like this story of Pluie The Series, so I'm very excited to watch the regular episode. Wow. Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Acttraction Official. It's all again for another reaction video and of course commenting. So for today, we're gonna react to the official teaser of the newest Thai BL series entitled Pluie. Together with the two lead Thai actors, we have a title Tanatorn and a Peerawich. And also you can visit original content on Acttraction Entertainment YouTube channel. The link is on the description box below. So anyway, I don't want to talk too much longer because I'm very excited to watch this teaser. So let's find out, let's see. And of course, later I will give my honest reaction and commentary. Plus, I'll give you some information and details of the newest Thai PL entitled Pluie. But for that, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and of course, like and share. So without further ado, let's begin. Okay, so there we go, the official teaser of Pluie The Series.
เพื่อที่จะฟังว่ามึงเจอโซลเมตแล้ว ทุกครั้งที่ฝนตกคุณจะไม่ได้ยินเสียงอะไรเลย
Oh, Peerawich! Oh my god. I really miss this Thai actor, Peerawich. The last I saw him, of course, the previous BL series, White Destiny. Oh my god, this is so cute. Oh my god, he is so handsome.
พี่ขอคุยด้วยได้ไหมพี่มาได้ความรักที่มันยากจังเนาะการที่แกไม่รู้อะไรเลยมันดีที่สุดแล้ว
เตือนมึงไว้ก่อนเลยนะจะทำอะไรมึงคิดดีๆพี่กูกับพี่พัดเขาเป็นโซลเมตกันกูไม่ยอมให้มึงมายุ่งกับความสัมพันธ์ของสองคนนั้นแน่
Oh.
พัดห้ามทำให้แสงใต้เสียใจหรือว่าร้องไห้เป็นอันขาดเลยนะ
พี่กูรู้ว่าใต้รู้สึกไงกับพี่อะแค่เธอลองใช้หัวใจฟังใจพี่พัดมีคนอื่นอยู่แล้วอะจะไม่ยุ่งกับใต้ทำไม
Oh my god, I like this story. I like this story of Pluie The Series, so I'm very excited to watch the regular episode. Wow. Okay, so that's all for reaction video for today of the official teaser of the newest Thai BL series entitled Pluie. And together with the two lead Thai actors, we have a title Tanatorn and Peerawich. So this time, magbigay tayo ng komento o kung sa ating napanood for that teaser. And of course, magbibigay din tayo ng info and details dito sa pinakabagong Thai BL series itong Pluie. So unahin na natin yung pagbibigay ng info sa Pluie. So dahil nga of course, teaser ito, saan ba tayo pupunta kundi sa drama list or sa dramalist.com. So anyway, kanina nabanggit ko na yung dalawang lead Thai actors na bibida dito sa Pluie The Series. We have title Tanatorn bilang Saengtai and of course yung kanyang kapartner dito, and I really miss these Thai actors. We have Peerawich bilang Phat. So the last I saw him, itong si Peerawich, nabanggit ko kanina, is sa White Destiny The Series. And of course, itong si title Tanatorn, yung previous BL series niya na ginawa, which is Remember Me. Yeah, Remember Me The Series. And of course, kasama nila dito bilang supporting actors, sina Pakpai Parina bilang Nara, which is ito yung girl. If I'm not mistaken, I think ito yung present girlfriend or past girlfriend ni Peerawich or ni Phat. Itong si Pakpay Parina bilang Nara. And of course, kasama din nila dito bilang supporting actors. So we have Suar Kritsanapong bilang Saengtai. Okay? So, of course, kasama din nila dito si Boss Jitanot bilang Saing Nua. And we have Pam Virapat bilang Saing Jan. We have Ormsin Sapitcha bilang Dream. Yeah, and we have Kong Saron Kong Saron, ang kanyang character's name ay si Jack. Siya yung kaibigan dito ni Saeng Tian. And we have Four Wheels Cyanoid bilang Wheat. Siya naman ang kaibigan pala din ni Saeng Tian. Okay? So, yun. And this is produced by Acttraction Entertainment. So, nabanggit ko kanina guys, si title Tanatorn, yung last or yung previous BL series niya na ginawa ay, of course, we have Remember Me, My Only 12%, we have Turn Type Season 2, and also maybe Season 1, if I'm not mistaken, and Until We Meet Again. Okay? So, yun yung mga ginawa na mga previous BL series ni title Tanatorn. So, sobrang dami. Oh my God. He is one of the most in-demand Thai actors sa paggawa ng mga BL series, itong si title Tanatorn. And of course, yung kanyang kapartner dito ay si Peerawich. So, yung kanyang previous BL series na ginawa, we have Why Destiny the Series, YYY, and Nilondon. Okay, so far itong Nilondon the series, parang nagbago sila ng casting, 'di ba? Kasi naglabas na ng pilot, kung hindi ako nagkakamali, naglabas na ng pilot yung Nilondon the series, and nakagawa na nga ako ng reaction video, pero after a month, pagkatapos ng isang buwan, nag-announce yung mismong producer na ongoing na yung paghahanap ng bagong lead actor doon sa Nilondon. So, pending pa yung series na yun, and I am not sure kung ipagpatuloy pa ba yun or matutuloy pa ba yung series na yun ni London. And sobrang ganda ng series na yun, in fairness. And of course, kasama din doon si Peerawich. Sana talaga is matuloy, di ba? Kasi sobrang ganda naman ng story. So, yun. Oh my God. I am very excited na mapanood yun si Peerawich. Kasi, of course, yung last natin na nakita siya, we have Why Destiny the Series. And speaking of Why Destiny the Series, nagawan ko din ng reaction video. So, kung hindi niyo pa napanood yung aking reaction video about sa Why Destiny the Series, you can go to my official YouTube channel, Reactor Page Official, and go to playlist, or of course, i-search nyo na lang sa YouTube channel, Why Destiny the Series reaction video. And of course, nagawan ko rin ng reaction video ang My Only 12%. We have, yan, My Only 12%. So, nagawan ko rin ng reaction video. So, you can search on YouTube, My Only 12% reaction video, or you can go to my official account, Reactor Page Official, and go to playlist, and then hanapin nyo lang dun ang My Only 12%. So, yun. Oh my God. So, anyway, yun lang muna yung ating maibigay na mga info and details. Okay, dadagdag ko lang, itong Pluie The Series ay mapapanood natin this coming April 29, 2023. So, medyo malapit na, isang buwan na lang yata kung hindi ako nagkamali, or lagpas ng isang buwan, 'di ba? Yung paghihintay natin sa Pluie The Series. So, yeah, I'm very excited for that. Again, remember, this coming April 29, 2023, mapapanood natin ang first ever episode ng Pluie The Series, starring by title Tanatorn as a Saengtai, and of course yung kanyang kapartner dito ay si Peerawich bilang Phat. So this time magbigay tayo ng komento o kung sa pinapanood for that teaser. Oh my God, I am very excited for the story of Pluie The Series, but I'm just a little bit curious about kung anong ibig sabihin ng Pluie. Okay, so yun, hindi ko siya na-research, pero medyo nako-curious lang ako sa title ng series na to, itong Pluie. So, ano bang ibig sabihin ng Pluie? So yun, comment down below guys kung alam niyo yun. Anyway, I'm very excited na mapanood ito, and this is a comeback project of Peerawich and of course ni title Tanatorn. So yun, I'm so excited, and you can see naman sa teaser, there's a lot of ano ba tawag dito, basta sobrang ganda ng teaser, and I am very interesting and I'm very excited to watch this series. Yeah, especially for Peerawich kasi I really like these Thai actors since dun sa Why Destiny. So yun. And you can see naman sa teaser, 'di ba? Wala naman tayong masasabi kasi pagdating sa acting nga naman is sobrang ganda naman. And of course, hindi lang to about sa love story between kina title and P, but maybe it's a very hard drama kasi merong iyakan dito, 'di ba? So itong si Nara, kung hindi ako nagkakamali, 'di ba nabanggit ko na kanina guys. Itong si Nara, siya yung hindi ko lang alam kung present or past girlfriend ni Phat, 'di ba? So hindi ko lang alam kung siya ay present or past relationship or girlfriend ni Peerawich bilang Phat. So yun. Yeah, so excited to watch for this series. Another new BL, another story, and another new love team na abangan na naman natin sa BL world, itong Pluie The Series. So I'm very excited na mapanood ito, and well, let's see. And so far, hindi ko pa alam kung saan siya ipapalabas. Maybe sa YouTube channel ng Acttraction Entertainment. Well, let's see. Diba? Kasi wala pa namang in-announce na platform, kung anong gagamitin na platform para mapanood natin itong Pluie The Series. Or maybe baka sa YouTube channel ng Acttraction Entertainment. So, yun. So, anyway, I'm so excited na mapanood itong series na to. I know na excited na rin kayo, di ba? And especially sa mga fans ni Peerawich, di ba? And also kay title Tanatorn. So, yun. Abang-abang na lang tayo, guys. And this coming April 29, yung kanilang first ever episode ng Pluie The Series. So, bago tayo magtapos, huwag niyo pong kalimutan na mag-like, mag-comment, mag-share, subscribe sa aking YouTube channel, at clicking na rin pong notification bell para updated kayo always sa mga susunod yung gagawin reaction video dito sa ating YouTube channel. God bless everyone, keep safe, and thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye!